welcome to Polish with Ray. I'm Rachel and today we are going to be taking a look at Painted Polish's newest collection, the Spring Cleaning Collection. The 7-piece collection features a rainbow of curly bases containing gorgeous shiny flakies and glitters. They're going to be available on the Painted Polish site beginning May 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Down in the description box I will link Painted Polish's site and social media as well as my social media so you can check out some additional swatches. And in today's video I'm going to live swatch them for you, show you what they look like in a variety of different lightings, and then we'll finish up with final thoughts and favorites at the end. All right, we have 7 incredible colors to look at today, so let's go ahead and get into the swatches. We're going to look at these in rainbow order. We don't have a red, but we do have this red leaning pink, which is called Hot Mess to Spotless. This one features ocean blue, turquoise, and silver metallic flakies, as well as orange, gold, ocean blue, and sky blue glitters in a light pink carmine crelly base. This one had a great formula. Spoiler, this entire collection is 2 coaters. All of the polishes we're looking at today were fully opaque in 2 coats and could not have been easier to apply. So smooth, incredibly even, great dispersal of all the flakies and glitters. I mean, come on. I loved it. This is 2 coats here with a glossy top coat. Because of the glitters and flakies, I think all of these would probably benefit from a glitter smoother, but I wouldn't consider it necessary. All of my swatches just show what they look like with a thicker glossy top coat, and I think that will suffice. The next shade in the collection has my favorite name. This is Ctrl Alt De-clutter. Every time I read that, I get a kick out of it. This one features silver, ocean blue, and turquoise metallic flakes, as well as orange, gold, ocean blue, and sky blue glitters in a Crayola copper orange base. That's fun. Again, great formula here. Very opaque on that first coat, super smooth and easy to work with, and I got full opacity in just a couple coats. I love the contrast we got between those turquoise and sky blue, ocean blue glitters and flakies and the orangey base. It was just so playful and fun. So this is 2 coats here with a glossy top coat. All of my swatches are showing what it looks like first in sunlight, direct sunlight outdoors, and then the second shot is what it looks like indoors near a window. Against my skin tone, the base of this one kind of looked like a peachy neutral, but I definitely think it's a shade that will look different depending on your skin tone. Moving on to the yellow now. This is Spring Spruce-up, and it features purple, ocean blue, turquoise, and black metallic flakies and a lemon yellow crelly base. So this one's a little different than the past 2 we've looked at. It doesn't have any glitters. It's all flakies, plus it has the addition of the purple flakies and the black metallic flakies. This also had a fabulous formula and was completely opaque in 2 coats. Lots of flakies disperse on the nail and spread themselves out really evenly. I love this blend of flakies. The colors, again, just give you such beautiful contrast against that pop and yellow base, and I'm such a sucker for black flakies anytime. I'm hoping Painted Polish has a ton of them set aside so that they can continue using them for a while, because I know there is a shortage of that pigment. But yeah, this was a gorgeous color, really fun tone of yellow. It was kind of on the more subtle side of yellows. It's not like a bright sunshine yellow. There's something slightly muted about it, and it was really pretty. Up next, we have Dust Happens. This one features red, gold, and silver metallic flakies, as well as pink, red, fuchsia, and gold glitters in a verdigris, I hope I'm saying that correctly, turquoise crelly base. So again, we've got a different mixture of flakies and glitters in here. Instead of having those blue contrasting glitters, we have some warmer glitters to pop against the turquoise base. I love how the maker did that. This one was also fully opaque in 2 coats, and I am head over heels for this base color. It is so flattering. Oh, it reminds me of like turquoise jewelry, and I really like the flakies and glitters in this base. This is 2 coats with a glossy top coat and some sunlight.
Yeah, I don't want to spoil favorites, but I think you can already figure out that this is one of them. I just couldn't get enough of it. Up next, we have the blue, which is called Suds in the City. This one features ocean blue, turquoise, pink, lime, gold, and black metallic flakies, and a cornflower blue crelly base. Again, love that combination. I love the addition of the black flakies in here. They just pop so beautifully against this cool blue base. Gorgeous two-coat formula. These couldn't be easier to apply. And something about the combination of flakies in here felt very rainbowy. They just, all the colors come together to create this rainbow effect on the nails, and it was beautiful. It was very captivating. This is two coats with a glossy top coat in some direct sunlight. Again, I found this base color to be extremely flattering. I feel like it would look good on everyone, and I just couldn't get enough of it. Up next, we have Sweet Dreams, and this one features ocean blue, gold, pink, lime gold, and silver metallic flakies and a lavender crelly base. So this one also only has flakies, no glitter in here. I love the glitter, but I do love Painted Polish's flaky mix polishes because removal is so easy. This is fully opaque in two coats, as the rest of them are, and application was super smooth and easy to work with. Something about the combination of flakies paired with this base color just screams spring to me. It feels very light and airy and princessy and cutesy. It was a really fun polish to have on the nails. It also felt so transformative because in lower lighting, I feel like this one looks especially dusty, but when you take it into bright lighting, it kind of lights up a little bit and feels like a brighter tone of purple. And the final shade we have to look at today is called Clutter Cutie. And this one features turquoise, black, silver, and gold metallic flakies and an orchid crelly base. So again, this one only contains flakies, no glitters in here. This one had great formula, easily opaque in two coats just like the rest. And again, I just love how the maker paired contrasting flakies and glitters in each of these polishes. It just makes for such a playful look on the nails. Those turquoise flakies popped so well against the orchidy base. So here's what it looks like in two coats with a glossy top coat. What a phenomenal base color. I especially feel like this one and the blue, I think, are perfect for this time of year, transitioning spring into summer. These kinds of more saturated shades are exactly what I'm in the mood for right now.
So that was Painted Polish's new spring cleaning collection. Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments. As for my thoughts, loved it. Loved everything about this collection. Love that Painted Polish Crellies are consistently two coaters. I love the mix of flakies and glitters used in these polishes. I just think the overall finished look is so aesthetically pleasing. I love that they make a beautiful rainbow together. And I love the theme of the collection too. I don't usually care too much about that, but spring cleaning is something I've not seen a collection be based on before, and I thought the names for these were really cute. As far as favorites go, I tried to narrow it down, but I had to go with three. My first favorite was Dust Happens, this gorgeous muted turquoise base. I really liked the red and pink components in here and the way that they popped against the base color, and I felt like this base just transformed in the sun. Like indoors, it kind of takes on a more muted quality, but it lights up once you take it into bright lighting. I also loved Suds in the City. This was the first one from the collection that I swatched because I just couldn't wait. I was so excited about it. These kind of cool tone blues just instantly uplift me. They make me feel so good, and again, I think the components in here really contrasts well against the base. And then my final topic from the collection is Clutter Cutie. This one, I didn't think I was gonna like this much. Light purple is a color that I am a little picky about against my skin tone. Sometimes I feel like it washes me out a little bit, but this one just lit up on my nails. It was so bright and so fun. These will be available on the Painted Polish site beginning on May 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And again, down in the description box, you'll find links to their site as well as their social media. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can hype the video too, that's very helpful. And if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll consider doing that. I have a goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I would love to have you help me get there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye!